Hi friends, in this episode we can see about the portable gas detectors and the gas used for igniting the pipelines. Normally, LEL gas detector is used based on the methane value. That methane value LEL is 5%, that is lower explosive limit, and UEL upper explosive limit is 15%. You can see the scale. Methane value, this is 5% by volume and this is 15% by volume, and this range only explosion and burning will occur when it comes contact with oxygen or air and ignition source. When it is more than 15% of methane present in atmospheric air, there is a non-explosive range and it is too rich. Even though sufficient oxygen is present and ignition source is available, there won't be any burning or there won't be any explosion. Same like that, if it is less than 5%, it is too lean and there won't be any fire or explosion even when oxygen or ignition source is present. Let us say you have gas detectors in your hand. If it is showing 50% LEL, that means 2.5% of volume of methane only there. So, whatever the reading shown in the gas detector is division of the 5% volume of methane present in the system, which is divided by 100%. So, the 5% lower explosive limit only is divided by 100%, which is shown as a percentage of LEL. So, in this range, there won't be any burning and there won't be any explosion. So when it exceeds the 100%, that is, and it keep on increasing in the LEL meter or gas detector, then you have to take care and you have to see what is the leakage of any hydrocarbon or flammable gases or liquid in the system. And some of the portable gas detectors normally used in any industries are industrial ITX gas detector, Brager Multi-1 to infrared gas detector, MX6 hybrid gas detector, and Eagle 2 multi-gas detector. All these industrial ITX, Dragon and MX hybrid will read LEL, oxygen, CO, H2S and SO2. But with the Eagle 2 multi-gas detector, we can see volatile organic compound and toxic gases. Now, the gas detectors are used after igniting the system or any vessel. The igniting is done or purging is done with nitrogen. Nitrogen is used before opening the vessel or before doing any hot work in a system or a pipeline or vessel. That nitrogen inert gas is used in three ways: purging, sweeping and blanketing. Normally purging and continuous sweeping or continuous purging or sweeping is used as inert nitrogen before doing any hot work or before opening any vessel. This blanketing is done in a closed type of vessel, which is used, you might have seen earlier, in the closed circuit cooling water tank or closed circuit chilled water tank to avoid corrosion and to maintain some pressure to give some suction to the pumps. This purging, nitrogen purging, is done by a method called PDP, pressurization and depressurization. This is what is PDP is: nitrogen will be allowed into the system with the outlet is closed condition and the pressure, and it is pressurized up to 3.5 or 4 bar or required pressure for the system. Then it will be depressurized to the flat. It will be done by 3 or 4 times until we get the LEL value less or almost 0%. Then after the PDP, it will be followed by the continuous purging or sweeping by the nitrogen. And the nitrogen, we can see how it is produced. Liquid nitrogen can be produced by means of cryogenic gas separation method, and gaseous nitrogen can be produced by PSA, pressure swing adsorption membrane nitrogen generation system. This liquid nitrogen cryogenic process and this pressure swing adsorption gaseous nitrogen production and membrane type nitrogen generation system we can see in the next episode. Hope you might have understand the principles of gas detectors nitrogen gas used as inert gas, and we will see the nitrogen production in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you very much.